Hello friends, welcome to Jnandeep online learning class. Today we are going to learn an unseen passage for comprehension. Coronavirus is a newly discovered virus. It causes a disease called COVID 19. In some parts of the world, it has made lots of people sick. Corona is a Latin word for crown because under the microscope these viruses looks like a crown with spikes ending in little blobs. A lot of symptoms are similar to the flu. You may have dry and itchy cough, fever, lots of sneezing and even hard to breathe. Most of people who has gotten sick with this coronavirus have had a mild case. It means you will not feel the disease, but for people who are much older or who already have health problems are more likely to get sicker with coronavirus. If anyone gets sick and feels like they may have coronavirus, they can immediately call their doctors and get help. If there is something we are not sure about the information, confused, or worried about, don't be afraid to ask someone to trust. Here are some things you can do to protect yourself, family, and friends from getting sick. First, wash your hands often using soap and water. Second, sneeze into your elbows. It is believed that coronaviruses spread through little liquid from our lungs. If you sneeze into your elbow, you can prevent germs from going far into the air. Third, avoid touching your face. Don't pick your nose. Don't touch your mouth. Don't rub your eyes. They are the places where the virus enters our body. Remember that this kind of virus can affect anybody. It doesn't matter where you come from or what country you are from. Don't forget, there are a lot of helpers out there who are working to protect us from the virus. We can take a part by keeping our health and stay at home to stop the virus spread to others. Now, dear friends, you too read the paragraph twice, then read the questions and try to solve the given worksheet. Thank you. Let's solve the worksheet for the above unseen passage. A1. State whether the given statements are true or false. The first statement is coronavirus is discovered long ago. It's a false statement. Second, we should not afraid to ask someone we trust. It's a true. This kind of virus can affect nobody. It's false. We should stay at home to stop the virus spread others. It's a true. Let's go to question A2 where we have to complete the given web by reading the paragraph. Do this to protect from coronavirus. First, wash your hands often using soap and water. Second, don't pick up your nose. Third, avoid touching your face. Fourth, don't rub your eyes. You can write any other suitable point. Write antonyms for first word younger, opposite older. Second, unsure, opposite sure. Third, doubt, opposite trust. Fourth, forget, opposite remember. Question A4. Do as directed. First, avoid touching your face. Add a tail tag. Answer. Avoid touching your face. Will you? Second, these viruses look like a crown with spikes ending in a block. Frame WH question. How do these viruses look like? A5. How would you help the poor and needy people in lockdown period? Answer. First, I shall explain everyone importance of keeping safe distance. Second, I shall give poor people free masks to cover mouth. Then I shall provide them food. If needed, I shall provide them medical help also. Thank you.